All right, so let's jump into our notes, which is just vocabulary for today. So first of all, we've been talking about relations. What is a relation? A relation is simply a group of ordered pairs. So when we filled out the table and we had the x and the y value, right? So we had 0, 4, I think 2, 6, 3, 8. This is a group of ordered pairs, so we call that a relation. That's it. Next, we're going to talk about our variables. So the independent variable is always the x value. So the first value in an ordered pair, remember it's x comma y. So the first value is your x value. So it will be 0, 2, and 3. Those are the independent variables in this relation. It's also, you can think about it as the input. So the independent variable goes first. It's what goes into the table. So it's called the input. And then finally, it's the variable that you can control. You can choose whatever x values you want. So we had 0 through 4. We could have done 5 through 10, but you get to pick your x values, right? You are in control of how many cantaloupes you buy. That is up to you. The dependent variable is your y value, also known as your output. Because if I put in a 0, it's going to give me a 4, right? If I buy 0 cantaloupes, then it weighs 4 pounds. But if I buy 2 cantaloupe, or actually it's 1, I think, 1 cantaloupe, it would weigh 6 pounds. So y depends on x. That's why it's called dependent. So y depends on what you choose for x. That's it for our notes. A relation is a group of ordered pairs. Your independent variable is your x, your input, what you control. Your dependent variable is your y, or your output, because it depends on what you choose for x.